Hi there, I'm Beth, and today I'm feeling festive. I'm collaborating today with the lovely Sarah from the channel Octopudding. We've worked together to produce something special for her website, which you'll find linked in the video description. I've taken out my lovely Christmas room diorama and I'm setting it up as a little backdrop for today's video. There we go, a top-down view of it for now. I've been doing a little knitting again, and I just learned to knit a cable. Here's my first wearable practice piece. What do you think? But that's not what we're here for. Let me show you what Sarah and I have been working on. They're doll scale hot water bottles. They're 3D printed, and my husband Craig modelled them from scratch at Sarah's request. They're made in 2 halves to get the neatest detailing. They have that label type detail on one side, and even the open neck and the plug too. We finessed the size to look right at 1/6 scale, and printed them in various fun colours too. Sarah is selling these complete with beautifully detailed crocheted covers on her website. But today we're both going to be making bottle covers, as well as some other festive crafts too. I'll leave the detailed crocheting to Sarah, and will use fabric to cover my own hot water bottles. I'm sketching a rough idea of what I could do, and I'm thinking of a gathered bottle cover pulled in at the neck with a bow. I might even try adding some hand embroidery to the cover too. Here's a first draft of my cover pattern with a slightly narrowed neck. I've looked out some fabrics to try it out with. I think I'll start with this lovely Red Hearts fabric that I believe was sent to me by Marna at Dolls Rescued. I've cut 2 pieces facing right side in and will fold over the top edges before I sew them. Here I've hand stitched round the edge and will turn it right side out and see if the bottle fits inside. I'm worried the neck is too narrow to fit. Oh, but it does fit. Oh, good. Oh, it's just a little too long. I'll take a little bit off the template and try again, but I think it'll look good. I'll just try the ribbon closure too. I've threaded a narrow ribbon onto a needle and I'm piercing the fabric with it. I think this will look nice and help it gather evenly. Yeah, I'd like the top to flare out a bit more. Maybe I'll try adding thin wire in there. Okay, some notes for the next try. I'll make another patterned cotton version to check the fit before I do any embroidery. Let me say thank you to all my viewers and to my patrons. All of your support has been so appreciated. I have some big plans for next year and I hope you'll all enjoy them. Okay, well, this one didn't go to plan. I machine stitched it instead of hand sewing and it was too small to fit the bottle. I put some stuffing inside it instead. I did try out the wire though, and it flares out really nice now, so that's good. Sometimes miniatures need a little extra help to get them to look like they're full scale. It can be a fabric gift bag instead. We use them for like 90% of our gifts here anyway. I'm busting out the brushed cotton tartan for the next one, and I'll embroider it too. I like how this one is turning out. If the bottle fits, then this will be my final one. Here goes. I've machine sewn and overlocked it, but I was careful with the size. I already added wire to the rim and glued the overlap closed. Okay, here goes. Yay! It fits. My only criticism would be that the tree could be a smidge further down. A bow in the middle might get in the way of seeing it properly, so I think I'll tie it to the side instead. Here's my ribbon threaded round. And here it's all tied up. Do you like it? Part of our collaboration plan is to set the scene of the night before Christmas, with a Blythe doll in her pyjamas getting everything ready. I'm going to make some new pyjama bottoms for my Blythe, and will make use of one of my many sewing pattern books. I love the books by Hanan and also these ones by Little Amelie. I've chosen this harem pants pattern to make, but will leave the hems straight instead of gathering them. I've traced the pattern onto paper and will go choose a fabric. Here we go, so straightforward. I've made them from another really soft tartan fabric. I've put them on my lovely Mandy here, who has been helping me test out our Obitsu neck joint adapters. They fit her perfectly, and I thought with the cold weather we have here, it seems right to have her in a cozy jumper too. I bought this lovely jumper at BlytheCon UK in 2022. The blue flower matches her hair too. I love how poseable the Obitsu bodies are. She's nearly ready to get the room set up for Christmas Day. There's just one more thing I wanted to make for her scene. Using white cardboard and some UV resin and nail polish, I made a little mug for her. I made these snowman cookies from hot glue and paint last year. I paint on the nail polish and then fill it with UV resin hot chocolate and add some marshmallows. There you go, Mandy. A hot drink to warm you up and some tasty cookies. Have a warm blanket and take your new hot water bottle too. It's the night before Christmas and it's cold outside. There's lots of gifts ready to be wrapped up. I wonder who these presents are for. Will you be hoping for a new Blythe doll? There. She's got everything wrapped up nicely under the tree. The stockings are hung on the fireplace, and it's time to enjoy the warmth. The new kitten is up to mischief, but that's okay. Soon it'll be time to sleep, and tomorrow will be Christmas Day. I do hope you've enjoyed my Christmas diorama scene, and are going to go and watch Sarah's video next, if you haven't seen it already. Her link is in the description box below, and I can't wait to see what she's made. Thank you, Sarah, for this lovely opportunity to collaborate. I'll be back again next week with another festive collaboration. So until then, stay cozy. Bye.